Today, I'll be rebuilding a Traxxas 2.5 engine today. It was in a T-Max, didn't properly break it in, so the piston rod snapped. So therefore, I have to change the piston rod. And there's a few things you have to do before you take off the piston rod. So if you take a look, inside of here, you can see that the piston rod is snapped. So there's nothing grabbing onto the crankshaft here that I'm spinning on the flywheel. So let's get into it. First, we have to take the cover off the engine coolant head. Second, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that we have to take off the coolant head to get the coolant head removed. It doesn't look too good because right now, if you can see that this piston head is pushed almost through the sleeve here. But now I gotta figure out a way to get this piston head back down. With the few knocks, we got the piston head to move downward. So now we can see the piston rod fully. The piston rod has a slight bend to it. That means this engine was completely under stress. All right, after trying to pull it out a few times, it did not work. So I might have to use the old zip tie trick to pull this sleeve out. So now that we have everything in pieces, now we can take this piston rod off and replace it with the new one. There's a small little pin right up in here that I have to get out. Now that I have everything out, I will have to check inside of this engine to see if there are more fragments from this piston rod here. It's broken in the back, and just trying to see now that I have the piston and sleeve out. Let's just give it a quick run. All right, we have a moment of truth with the T-Max. The T-Max is here. She is ready to go. All back together. Put the engine, put the piston rod back in, put the sleeve back in, and we're gonna see how this thing cranks. This is a moment of truth moment. Rebuilt the piston and sleeve. Let's get a crunk. She cranks. She cranks. That's what all I wanted to see, and that's all I wanted to hear. It's her cranking up. Now I can put a tune on it and break it in. Well, let's first break it in and then put a tune on it. And then we're gonna ride it in the road. We're gonna have some fun. So on next time, we're rebuilding engines with Teddy, episode 347 and a half. Yeah, 347 and a half. We're gonna go with that number. Peace.